Hi, this is Ron Erickson at the Yankee Hill Winery Cooking School. Today, as you probably have guessed, the subject is chicken. So what I'm going to show you is how to cut apart a chicken. And it's quite easy because chickens have little lines on right where to cut them. So first, you reach inside and you have the neck and whatever else they wanted to give you. And we have some organs, no livers in here. And the first thing you do is just cut away some of this fat that is around the tail opening. And then when you use a knife, use it in this motion, not sawing motion. So like right here, we make a cut on the leg. And if you see right here, there's a line of fat that goes through. And if you follow that line, it will go right down where the joint is. And then you can cut the leg right off. Like that. And so there we have one leg. And then we just make a cut the same way. And then down through that fat line. And there's the other leg. Now when it comes to the wing, what I like to do is get part of the breast meat with it, because then that makes it a nice serving. And so we can take it like this and just cut in like that and cut part of the breast out. And then right here is the joint that we cut through. You can see it right there. And so we cut that. And there we have the wing with some breast meat. So it's a decent serving. And now I'll cut that on the other side. And then you just push it up. And you'll see where the joint is. And then cut through. And there we have that. So then we have the thighs. Now the thighs are easy. You turn the chicken on the side and take the bone and just pull it. And it will come right up. And so there is your chicken thigh. And then we can turn this over. And here, there it is again. And we just cut right through. And there is the thigh. Now here, we can cut this down the center. You can kind of feel the breastbone. And so if you just slice like that right down, and just lay the knife right on the breastbone, that will just take this piece right out. And there we have the chicken breast. And then we can go to the other side and we do the same thing. Here's the bone. So you just slice, and then you can push it open. and then give another slice. And there it comes. Now, here I'm going to cut the breastbone out here. Okay, there's our breast, chicken breast. And on the chicken, you have this bone that goes right here, and it's kind of like a cartilage. And that you can feel, and it will determine what the age of the chicken is. And so if it's up and calcified, that means that chicken has been walking around for 6 months or more. But if it's flexible, then it means that it will be tender meat. Now, I like to, by the way, here's the oyster that we can get out, which is a very tender piece of meat. It comes out. But I like to take this and use this part for stock. And in another class, I will be showing you how to do that. So we'll set this aside. And then we'll just kind of take a look at these. And so here we have the leg, the thigh, the wing with some breast meat on it. And we still have a huge piece of breast. Here's the neck that can go in with the stock. And then here's the heart, and here's a little piece of liver. And so out of one chicken, you know, if you pay 99 cents a pound for it, that's pretty good. And you can get all of these different pieces out. And here's some skin we don't need. So that is how you cut a chicken apart. And so here we have 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces. And if you wanted to, you could even take this at an angle and really cut the breast into 2 nice pieces. And that would give you even more. It would give you 10 pieces. Okay, like that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So give this a try. It may take you doing this 5 times to get it down, but I think that once you do, it will be real easy. And with barbecue season coming up, this is just a nice way rather than, you know, buying all the separate pieces. Now, here's something that if you're eating lots of vegetables and you want the health benefits from them, then you want to eat chicken thighs, because it's the dark meat in chicken thighs that sets your body up to absorb the nutrition from the fresh vegetables. Not the white meat, but the dark meat. So anyway, that's it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Skål!